Right, we've got this air filter to change on the Kuga. It's over in this location here.
So how am I going about this then? I need to...
Right, you've got a 1 bolt there, 1 bolt down there, 1 down there, and 1 down there. What tool are you going to need?
Ratchet. 7mm. That fits. A little bit loose, but give it a go. Nice and tight now. Come at a different angle. Come at a different angle.
Once it's loose, you can do it by hand.
No.
Press the button on the ratchet, that's it, and then unscrew it.
Let's bolt it in. Oh, the brakes are, I think it's still bolted in here.
Right, loosen the bolt then. Take the cover off.
Sure.
Right, you notice a nice dirty filter in there. So we've got a nice shiny clean one to put back in there. If you want to take the old one out first.
Sure.
Right, now make sure inside there there's no dirty leaves and debris, and if there is, to make sure you take it out, yeah? Inside there. Give it a bit of a dust. If you need to, give it a bit of a hoover. Right, so when you put this in, you've got to make sure you leave that bottom bit over. A bit tricky. Just pushing the bottom bit, and then it should slot in there. Should slide into those 2 bits just right down there. Okay, now put the lid back on. We're lined up.
Yep.
And then do your screws up. So you don't need to put any force in this at all. Just have to be really, really careful what you do and just line everything up in the right place. If you're putting any force onto it, it means you're doing something wrong. Okay? That's it. Okay, can you have a feel of them? So when I do it, I just go on there and that's it, that's fine, yeah? Because if you over tighten these, they will break. You can torque them up if you really want to, that's alright. That's fine, okay? And that's that job done.